Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's Thomas again with a new video, and today I want to tell you about OBS, the Open Broadcaster software that I'm using for my Skillshare and Udemy courses when I need to do some screen recording. I recently started to create and produce some courses about editing for Skillshare and Udemy, and in some parts I needed to show things that I was doing inside my editing software and other stuff, just everything that had to be recorded on screen. And I was trying out several softwares. I had the one by Xbox. I'm using a Windows computer, so there's the Xbox Game Bar, which also allows you to record the screen. I tried that one out and it was horrible. I don't know, I think there should be a better quality, but I didn't figure out how to make it look better, because as soon as I was exporting it, the rendering and uploading it on Skillshare, Udemy, or even on YouTube, it just was horrible quality, and I didn't figure it out how to make it better. So a friend of mine told me about OBS, the Open Broadcaster software, and yes, I thought I might give it a try. And I was really pleasantly surprised by it. It's a free software and it can do a lot of stuff. It's primarily for screen recording and streaming. So this is what I did to get pretty nice quality with not so large files. It's completely free and has a lot of options, many things you can do with it. So yeah, let's dive into it. What you see right now is some kind of crazy inception, but that's because I'm opening the screen recorder to record the screen that shows the screen recorder. That's what you get. Right now I'm actually not using the OBS because I need to show you the settings and all the options, and that's not possible while recording. So I'm using right now the screencast-o-matic, which is also a nice option, but I think it's not for free. It does have a free option, but you can only use it once, then you have to delete it and reinstall, so way too much work.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Let's stick to OBS, and okay, let's go into the settings. This is where you find them, and it's really easy. I will not show you all the options, I will just show you my conclusions. Let's go to output. We ignore the whole part about streaming because we're not streaming right now. We're just recording. The recording path, I think this is the default path. I didn't change anything about it. And yes, you can have high quality, medium file size, indistinguishable quality, large file size, lossless quality, tremendously large file size, and this gives you what it promises. Like the lossless quality is huge, and here are the two options that you have to change. I think the default is high quality, medium file size. You change it to indistinguishable quality, large file size. Then you go to MKV, because there's FLV, MP4, MOV, and so on. Go with MKV. We apply. I almost forgot, and this is very important. You not only have to make changes at the output section, but also at the video section. Go to video section. Here you can see the base resolution as well as the output resolution. In my case, I was using a 4K monitor, and the default option for output resolution was set to full HD. This gave me very bad results. Then I changed the output resolution to the same as base resolution, 4K. Now it got me very nice results. So just to be clear, the output resolution should always be the same as the base resolution, because if you lower the output resolution, it will give you a bad image. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you can record your screen, have nice quality and not very large files. With the indistinguishable quality, it only has 25.4 megabytes as well. Small, but nice quality. Where's open with VLC player? Here you can see it. Looks everything fine. Everything's sharp, everything's nice. And that's why I recommend the option that I told you. And I hope this helps you. Thank you very much.